Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Hummer H2. 2005 Hummer H2, unleash power, conquer every terrain. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hummer has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Get ready to rule the road with this 2005 Hummer H2. Powered by a 6.0L V8 OHV16V engine, it's built to conquer any terrain with ease. This beast comes fully loaded with power windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. Enjoy dual-zone climate control for ultimate comfort, while the premium Bose sound system delivers a top-notch audio experience. The striking green exterior pairs perfectly with the plush gray leather interior, making every ride a luxurious adventure. With under 131k miles and a clean Carfax, this Hummer is ready for action. Visit us and unleash your inner adventurer. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.